जुदा हुए कदम जिन्होंने ली थी ये कसम, मिलके चलेंगे हरदम, अब बांटते हैं ये गम। भीगे नैना जो खिड़कियों से झांकते थे नैना, घुटन में बंद हो गए हैं यूं।
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to the series Best of Arijit Singh, in which we have already covered the tutorials for the songs Agar Tum Saath Ho, Main Tenu Samjhawa Ki, Rabta, the Kalang title track, and today we are going to do the tutorial for the song Naina from the movie Dangal. Also, let me tell you, if you want the ukulele tutorial for this song, then you can check out my Instagram handle, which is Dhingraji. The link is mentioned below. I have uploaded a 1-minute short ukulele tutorial on my Instagram handle. You can learn that ukulele tutorial and post your short videos on your Instagram handle, and if you do so, then don't forget to tag me. Now talking about the guitar tutorial for this song, you can place the capo on the 6th fret if you want to play on the original scale. But if not, then you can place the capo on the 3rd fret or the 4th fret according to your range. And girls can play this song without using a capo, using the same chords. Now without any further ado, let us begin with today's tutorial. But before starting, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon also, so that you can get all the notifications and updates for the upcoming tutorials. Let's start now. तो सबसे पहले देखते हैं कि गर्ल्स का स्केल क्या होगा. गर्ल्स कैन प्ले दिस सॉन्ग ऑन सी मेजर एंड द कॉर्ड्स आर सी मेजर, ए माइनर, जी मेजर, this is G major in open position and this is G major in bar. The next chord is F major, this is F major in open, and if you will place your index finger like this will become F major in bar position. So this is F major in open and this is F major in bar. The next chord is D minor and E minor. तो क्या chords हो गई? C major, A minor, G major in open or in bar position, then F major in open or in bar, then D minor and E minor. अब देखते हैं कि बॉयज़ का स्केल क्या होगा. इफ़ यू वांट टू प्ले ऑन द ओरिजिनल स्केल, देन यू कैन प्लेस द कैपो ऑन द 6th fret. If your range allows, then you can play on the original scale, and the chords will remain the same, which is C major, A minor, G major, F major, D minor and E minor. You can shift the capo as per your range. If your range allows, then you can play on the original scale by placing the capo on the 6th fret. But if not, then you can shift the capo to the 4th fret or on the 3rd fret also, and you can play the same chords: C major, A minor, G major, F major, D minor and E minor. So you will play the same chords, it's just that you will have to shift the capo as per your range. So girls can play this song without using a capo, using the same chords, and boys can play this song using a capo either on the 3rd fret or 4th fret and play the same chords. Now the strumming pattern used for this song is a very basic one, which is down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, नैना जो सांझ ख्वाब देखते थे नैना, बिछड़ के आज रो दिए हैं यूं. So this is how you can play with the strumming pattern. Let's move on to the song now. झूठा जगरैन बसेरा, साचा दर्द मेरा, मृग तृष्णा सामोह पिया, नाता मेरा तेरा,
बिछड़ के आज रो दिए हैं यूं नैना, जो मिल के रात जागते थे नैना, शहर में पल के नीचते हैं यूं जुदा हुए कदम, जिन्होंने ली थी ये कसम, मिलके चलेंगे हरदम, अब बांटते हैं ये गम भीगे नैना, जो खिड़कियों से झांकते थे नैना, घुटन में बंद हो गए हैं यूं सांस हैरान है, मन परेशान है, हो रही सी क्यों रुआसा ये मेरी जान है, क्यों निराशा से है आस हारी हुई, क्यों सवालों का उठा सा मन में तूफान है नैना, थे आसमान के सितारे नैना, ग्रहण में आज टूटते हैं यूं नैना, कभी जो धूप सेकते थे नैना, ठहर के छाँव ढूंढते हैं यूं जुदा हुए कदम, जिन्होंने ली थी ये कसम, मिलके चलेंगे हरदम, अब बांटते हैं ये गम भीगे नैना, जो सांझ ख्वाब देखते थे नैना, बिछड़ के आज रो दिए हैं यूं
I hope you like the tutorial. If yes, then do hit the like button. Also don't forget to watch the tutorials for the songs मैं तेनू समझावा की, अगर तुम साथ हो, राब्ता and the Kalang title track. I'll drop all the links in the description box. Also I have created a separate playlist for this series. You will get all the tutorials in one single playlist. I'll drop the link for the playlist too in the description box. You may check out. You can post your short covers or short videos on my Facebook community page, which is Music Ki Pathshala, or on my Instagram handle, which is Dhingraji. If you do so on Instagram, then don't forget to tag me. The links are mentioned below. Before signing off, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon also. I shall see you soon in the next tutorial. You all take care. Bye.